we bought a roof rack. We bought a basket. We're gonna put stuff up here for more storage, and yeah, you know, it's been really nice up until today.
It's in the mud. Oh no! I don't think that's looking so good now.
God, winter sucks. Next on instructions, open doors in snowstorm. What's next? Well, how do I do this? I need to look.
Look at the instructions.
God, look at how sad we are.
So they're like covered in mud and snow.
Open the doors. Oh, it's getting really wet. Insert front base clips. Shove in there. In there? Okay. Okay, use wrench thing.
Hi, Aspen.
How am I gonna do this?
You think there's no snow on your seat?
So from here to the front. Does it look like it's moving at all?
No.
Alrighty, well, our job here is done. I wouldn't advise doing this in a snowstorm. There's a lot more snow in the other ones because it's blowing sideways, so I'm gonna have to like blow them out. There. Now the door should shut. Oh, holy.
There we go. We have a roof rack. Woohoo!
Now hopefully we can get the basket on without a humongous problem. Wonderful weather we're having. So it said put these 32 inches apart. Don't listen to that instructions, because now we have to take the back bar off and move it because the basket, it has to be 30 inches apart. So
we took a little lunch break and now we're back at it. Right, Aspie? Yeah.
oh my god, this is not easy. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. All we have on there right now is our diesel, but we've got a lot more storage now. Absolutely loving this thing. It's rock solid. We have enough room here too. I want to put a awning on this side of the vehicle, and we have so much room up top now. And let me try and get a little higher. Look at that. Oh, I just love it so much. Gonna get some bins or some duffel bags and throw them up here. Need to figure out better ways to strap things. I don't know, it's just a little not great. Need to figure something out that's a little better than those blue bungees. Also, I was wondering if anyone has any idea on how to actually lock things to this basket, because, yeah, I have no idea how to stop theft. So I'm not exactly a happy camper today. because it was so nice in February. Well, it's still February, but it's the end of February. But all of February has been so nice and like very warm. And it was 10 degrees on Saturday, and it's now Monday or something. And it was minus 29 this morning. It's minus 22 right now. And it was minus 33, 34 wind chill. Hell, I am not happy about it. It looks so much more like an off-road rig with that up there. It honestly looks so cool. Can't wait to put an awning up there. Maybe even a road shower. And some more of our gear. That'll be great. It was only like minus 10 when we were putting the roof rack on, but there was some nasty wind. But like, I can't believe it just went from 10 degrees in the day to minus 22. Well, like minus 29, but it's the daytime now and it's minus 22. It's disgusting. Yeah, it's really too bad about this weather. I totally jinxed it last video, like talking about how nice it is. And yeah, I totally messed up the early spring. So I'm going to change out this, which I've been meaning to do for a long time. It's been like this for, well, since we built it last June or something. Because this is bent, so when we're driving along, it just somehow flies out. And then this has been like coming in and out while we're driving. Yeah, I've hammered it back straight a few times, but I mean, this is just not a long-term solution. So I'm getting rid of this. I just realized I put it on backwards so that this was at the top. Okay. Now there's no way on earth that's gonna move. Yeah, so hopefully this is a bit more of a permanent fix to this problem. Shouldn't really go anywhere. Hopefully it doesn't rip out or anything. So people are always wondering, how do we go to the washroom? Well, you see, we drive to somewhere where there's a crapper. Yeah, no, we don't have a toilet or anything in our truck, and
it's really, it's not that hard to find a washroom. There's so many businesses, there's so many, especially where we are right now, there's so many outhouses that are open 24 hours, 7 days a week.
Yeah, so we just find a place and go. You get pretty good at holding it. We've been putting the blanket inside the truck because we still have that leak problem. It doesn't get wet in here. It has warmed up a bunch and it's wonderful. It's been a couple days and it's so nice to be able to cook on the tailgate. It's like maybe 1 degrees out here. It's so nice. Oh, stretchy. I'm making a kimchi grilled cheese. I need something to get the kimchi out of here.
This is actually a recipe that we found online, and I was a little skeptical. I was like, really? Kimchi grilled cheese? So good.
So good. When we made this recipe last time, we used, well, it actually calls for asparagus, which is, I never would have thought to put asparagus and kimchi on a grilled cheese with some sesame seeds, but like, it's the best grilled cheese I've had in so long. I was gonna buy some asparagus, and the other day it was on sale, $2.99 a pound, but now it's back up to regular price, which was, I think, $8 a pound. So I got scared and ran away from the asparagus.
Yeah, the grocery prices are totally insane.
They're ridiculous.
Yeah.
I don't know who thought of putting kimchi on a grilled cheese, but it's great. Now, if only we had the asparagus.
This is one of the things I love the most about living in the truck. We can just have this back open and just enjoy nature.
Hey, come here. Come here. You yelling at me? You yelling at me? Oh! Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You being nasty? Where are you going?
Climbing on me?
She's trying to get the bagels.
We're gonna make some breakfast sandwiches. We bought a few things for that. We're gonna make them on bagels.
Did you want to use some cheese?
Yes.
I forgot it in the truck.
I can grab it. So we're gonna use this just plant egg stuff. We were actually originally going to use the liquid stuff and make an omelet, but it was out of date, so whatever. We'll make this instead. But we're gonna try to heat that up in the rice cooker because we do technically have a little like gas stove with us, but we have to like pull it all out, and I don't want to do that. So we're just gonna try to make it in the rice cooker. It just needs to be kept like warmed up. We made some brownies, as you might remember, in the rice cooker. Delicious. But to get them out, we decided we would use a butter knife. And that was a really smart idea. And we ended up scratching the inside. And you're not really supposed to like ingest any of the non-stick stuff. So we decided to order a new rice cooker pot. And it just came. And we took it out of the package. We were like, oh sweet, we can like cook again. We can do stuff in here again. And Daniel dropped it on the floor and gave it a dent. So
brand new pot.
Brand new. You can't really tell, but like there's a little dent
here. You can tell on the inside more than the outside. Well, you know, it's not huge, but it's really bothering me.
It's fine. It'll still work totally fine. I'm just excited to be able to cook in here again.
Yeah, we were eating takeout for a long time.
A lot of takeout. It was not good.
No.
So these are what these little just egg things look like. Normally you pop them in the toaster. Oops. They don't look that appetizing. But, well, should I put the cheese on it now? No. I'm gonna bake it a little, flip it over, then put the cheese on, bake it again.
I'm glad we've got a bake function on this thing.
Oh, it's wonderful. There's the completed breakfast sandwich. It's only like 2 p.m. now. We had a very late start to the day.
An early 2 p.m. breakfast sandwich. No, it's a little warm. Rice cooker's pretty good at everything. Oh boy.
How's it taste?
Good.
What is that on your face? What is that there? Why you got that? Should we go to the vet? Should we figure out what it is? Oh, yeah.
While we're at the vet, we're taking Aspen because you got some weird stuff going on with your eye. I think it's a blocked tear duct. We got these eye drops. Oh no, it's not eye drops. Oh, hello there.
Oh,
she has some eye drops though, and there's green stuff coming out of her nose. Apparently, their tear duct drains out of their nose.
Yeah.
That is bizarre.
Hi.
There's like this ointment stuff that we have to open her eye, like put it in the bottom there, and then when she blinks, it like goes over the eye. It's kind of weird.
Yes, she said it was kind of like almost like a sty or a cyst, but yeah, if it doesn't end up clearing up, hopefully this clears it up, she said, but there's no guarantee. If it doesn't get cleared up, then she'll have to go for surgery to remove the blockage, flush out her eye, remove it.
Why do you keep getting these problems? Good God.